I said we will see formulas for ellipse and hyperbola in the next video. So in this page we are having 8 more formulas, 4 for ellipse and 4 for hyperbola. So the heading is this: tangent equation for ellipse. Again we are having two types, Cartesian and parametric form. If you see the equation of ellipse, it will be of this type. For example, if it is standard form, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So tangent equation is this: x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equal to 1. This is what form? Cartesian form. Parametric means theta will come, x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b is equal to 1. So I think you need to spend at least half an hour to read all the formulas, memorize all the formulas in 4 types. What are they? Circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. So these two are formulas for tangent of a ellipse. This is Cartesian form, this is parametric form. Similarly, these two are formulas for normal of an ellipse. Again, Cartesian form, parametric form. A square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. So this is what? Normal equation for ellipse in Cartesian form. This is normal equation for ellipse in parametric form. Parametric in the sense theta will come in the formula. Cartesian means theta will not come. Same thing here also. Cartesian means theta won't come. Parametric means definitely theta will come. And if you see tangent equation, everything is positive here. But if you see the normal equation, again minus, 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 minus. So you can just remember easily. A square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. Here ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. So the terms are same. Minus alone comes for normal equation for ellipse. Plus is everything is positive in the tangent equation of ellipse. So you need not get into any confusion. So these are the 4 formulas related with what? Ellipse. These two will denote the tangent equation, Cartesian form, parametric form. These two will denote normal equation of ellipse, Cartesian form, parametric form. Again I repeat, parametric form means theta will come, right? Cartesian form means theta won't come in the formula. Next we will go for hyperbola. Again tangent equation, two types. One is Cartesian form, another one is parametric form. x1 by a square minus y1 by b square equal to 1. If you see ellipse, same thing but plus in between. For hyperbola, same thing. In place of plus we are having minus symbol equal to 1. So since this is Cartesian equation, we won't have theta here. Parametric form, therefore theta will come. If you see there x cos theta, here it will be x secant theta by a. There y sin theta, here y tan theta by b, in between minus sign equal to 1. So compare and read. Normal equation of hyperbola, if you compare again a square x by x1, here also a square x by x1, there it is minus but here it is plus. B square y by y1, there also b square y by y1. Here a square minus b square, it is plus. So if you can remember, tangent equation in ellipse all are positive. But tangent equation of hyperbola, negative sign comes. Here all are positive, that is in between plus symbol. But for hyperbola, tangent equation in between negative symbol. Also if you look at normal equation for hyperbola, for ellipse, only minus sign is present everywhere. If you see normal equation of hyperbola, no minus sign, everything is positive. So somewhere like that you just try to remember the formulas. But if you see normal equation in Cartesian form, again it looks like same as in the ellipse. A square x by x1 minus, in place of minus just plus, in place of minus here it is plus here, right? Parametric form, ax by cos theta, but here it is secant theta. By by sin theta, here it is tan theta, minus here it is plus. a square minus b square. Here it is a square plus b square. That is what I am telling. For ellipse, tangent means positive will come, normal means negative will come. For hyperbola, tangent means negative, normal means everything will be positive. More or less the equation looks same. So you can easily read these formulas. Not only this, in the previous video we have seen two more things, that is circle as well as what? Circle as well as what? Parabola. For parabola alone, the parametric form will be in t. For circle, ellipse and hyperbola, parametric means theta. If you see the previous video, you can understand why it is parametric form. I have given the formulas in the beginning video. So accordingly, this formula comes. I think you will understand. Before going into the problems, I want you to thorough with all these types of formulas. What are all the formulas we have seen recently? One is the parametric equations of conic. That is the first formula that we have seen. The second thing is tangent equation and normal equation of a conic, out of which we have seen four. First one is circle, tangent equation and normal equation. Tangent equation we have seen two types. What are they? Cartesian form and parametric form. Similarly, normal of a circle, two types, Cartesian form, parametric form. So likewise for each and every conic, that is for parabola, for ellipse, for hyperbola, tangent means we are having two formulas. One is for Cartesian, another one is for parametric. Ellipse means we are having two formulas for tangent alone. That is, one is Cartesian, another one is parametric. Normal, one is Cartesian, another one is parametric. Cartesian means the theta won't come. Parametric equations means theta will come in the formula. So easily you can remember and memorize. Don't forget to write and practice all these formulas. Once you finish learning, don't think you are thorough with it. Take a rough notebook and try to write all the formulas without seeing. So in the next class, I'm going to go into the problems with using these formulas. So make sure before that you are thorough with the formulas, right? Thank you, children.